Do you ever wonder what he might be going through on his own and the demons that he's facing alone? I can't do, sometimes I can't go home and... What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another vlog. If you're new here, my name is Yara Bravon. If you're returning, what's good, Red Babes? So today I have been bamboozled into coming to my mama house to have dinner. I'm bamboozled because I was not under the impression that not only was I going to have to bring the food, I also have to cook the food. She be with the foolishness. She really be with the foolishness. But I'm making some angel hair pasta, parmesan, and mussels. And I may have effed up because the mussels are supposed to be gone in the fridge and these are feeling kind of hard still. So we'll see. I'll let y'all see.
This food.
Y'all, she done came down here and decided she's gonna cook.
Oh, girl, go to hell.
What you making?
I'm making some honey butter, red lobster biscuits, and some pasta. Pasta.
I got my mussels right here. I done ran them through the water so they all nice and clean. I just need to season them. She ain't started her stuff yet, so I'm gonna wait because it takes nothing but a minute to cook
shut the heck up.
mussels. You so spicy.
Spider, sex. Yeah.
Y'all, look at this.
Not you over here trying to expose me.
She don't even need all of this. Cause some of this stuff, who even heard of? Chinese 5 spice?
I make Asian dishes.
You made a Asian dish.
Ooh, I swear, don't nobody hate more than you.
It's ridiculous. That's all done, y'all. Done. Yummy, 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 yummy.
These are yummy.
Mm-hmm.
Don't say yummy.
Why not?
Because yummy is very yummy, so yummy, yummy.
Biscuits. There's biscuits.
Biscuits? No, they're not biscuits.
They are. It's bread.
Bread? I don't have biscuits. They're...
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Just look at mine.
Y'all know Kai don't eat.
And then here are
We got oatmeal.
biscuits. I did add a little bit of extra honey.
Yum. Look at the steam coming off that thing. Mmm. Which bottle of wine are we having?
Whichever one you open, boo.
My mama loved me so bad. Like, y'all wish y'all mamas loved y'all as much as my mama loved me. Cause she know I got a drinking problem and she just lets me live my best life. Oh my God. Good morning. So I'm about to take her to school and then my car looks a hot mess. So I'm gonna go to the car wash and clean the inside of my car out because
I didn't wear I made cereal.
yeah, so I'll meet you guys at the car wash.
Oh, cereal.
Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time we're making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you for said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just to know you weren't you. So I come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We can have this place on earth. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We can have this place on earth. Take you there, I'll take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious. silence is so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, say our time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We can have it, that's all I take you there. I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We can have it, that's all I take you there. I'll take you there.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else you, nobody else makes you. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trip, right around the dick. Right around the slap me out the dick, I'm throwing a fit. Right around the world.
Y'all, my car was a mess, but she's clean now. Well, he's clean now. Shout out to my mom for letting me use her power vacuum, and I'm going to clean my mess up here. I made 2 bags, one with Kai's toys that I'm not getting rid of, and then the other one with trash. I'm gonna throw that away. And I cleaned the inside of my car with just some all-purpose cleaner. I don't really know if that was a good idea or not, but my car smells like lemon. It smells much better and it looks better, so what needed to be done was done. So I'm going to go inside. Well, I'm gonna go clean my mess up and then go inside and see what my mom is doing, get dressed, and we'll figure out where we're going, so momentarily. Y'all, look at all of these power tools my mom owns, and look at all of this paint. That's a lot of paint. Who she thinks she is? This is insane. Barbara the Builder. And I bet you Ain't not one roller in here. Oh, she got some up there. Because I was about to say, you know, she ain't got no rollers. So I went to move my car out of the garage and listen to this. Like, what does that mean? What's wrong with my car, guys? I don't know. I didn't have any lights that came on and said anything is wrong with the car. So I really don't know what the issue could be.
Positive and positive, and then negative, and then negative, and then you start the car. Right.
Park the assisting car knows that knows your
Which one's power?
If it's come out your trunk, you
the red end of the jumper cable to the dead battery's positive terminal. Careful before throwing the battery grounded in a dead car. Start the working car and let it run 1 to 2 minutes, driving the engine negative terminal and the other end to a metal.
Y'all, this is so ghetto. Shout out to my dad. I just needed a jump, apparently. Thank you. So how long is this gonna last? Am I gonna need a jump in the morning?
Should not. Make sure that you don't like run it on just battery.
Is my battery light on?
No. But if you're running it without having the car actually started or whatever, they'll drain your battery really fast, even if you got a brand new battery.
So the jump is enough to keep it.
Yeah, it'll tell you.
So the jump is enough to keep it, like not have to worry about it?
As long as your alternator is working correctly, it should be fine.
And if the alternator had an issue, then they would have a light?
No, the alternator doesn't really give you a light. The only way you'll know your alternator is bad is if your battery keeps dying.
Got you. So this is just a waiting game.
Yeah.
We're getting rid of this car.
I would take the key. It's still under warranty, right?
Yeah, it should be.
I
It's
would
like
take
10
the
years.
key as soon as humanly possible.
Okay.
And get it checked out and have them do a full system test.
So we came to Red Robin, get some food. Now that my car is up and running again, we're gonna trade her in.
So if you need a hero, just look in the mirror. No one's gonna save you now, so you better save yourself. And everybody's hurting, everybody's going through it, but you just can't give up now.
I'm starting to feel like all my vlogs is let's go to Lowe's.
75% off, Yes.
My last vlog we was at Lowe's. I'm sure the one before that we was at Lowe's. And one before that, before that we was at Lowe's. How many times a month do y'all think we go to Lowe's?
I'm coming back tomorrow.
How many times a month do you think we go to Lowe's?
How many times a month who go? Me or you?
Well, I see you every week, and we always go to Lowe's. And Home Goods.
Oh my goodness. You got a problem? Because I can fix it.
Okay. So I just got in my car to leave, and guess what? We're not working again. I'm so frustrated. Like do you ever just feel like it's always something? Because that's how I'm feeling. Like I feel like it's always something. Like I'm gonna wrap the vlog up here because I'm frustrated. Like I've been trying to talk to someone about possibly getting a new car, and I've been talking to these people since like this morning, and here it is like 5 o'clock and they're closing 30 minutes and I'm still waiting. Like, even if I was at the dealership, it would have been moving faster. I thought that if I did it through email, it would have been faster. Apparently not. I will see you guys in the next one.